Hey guys, I'm over here with my buddy Chris and working on a friend's bike over here. This is a Harley Davidson Dyno White Glider. The seats need to be restored over here. We're going to use the plastic and vinyl restore from Beam Bright. You can get this on Amazon, folks. There's a QR code in the back over here that'll give you a demo and some other instructions. You just want to wash it, whatever you're doing, wash it down first. But this is the seat off of the Harley, and then we're going to do the pipes, the metal pipes on it too, because this works on wrought iron, steel. It's going to restore all this. So let's take a little dab. We've just shaken it up, the bottle. That's what you want to do. And of course, we're a United States company, made in America, folks. And we're just going to take a little bit on this applicator. We've already used the other side. Just a little bit. Just about a dime quarter size over there. Watch what we do, and we're restoring the seat on this motorcycle to bring it back to its beautiful original condition over here. I can tell the difference right off the bat, Chris, of what's going on here. Look at that. It's bringing it back. Of course, I've got the tape over here to show before and after. But that's about it. It's getting all the natural beauty of the seat with the emulsions and the silicones and the hydrophobic barrier. This is going to be waterproof now, folks. We'll be able to take water. Watch this. Look at the difference between before and after. No grease, no grime. It's no stickiness, no tackiness to it. It's just back to its original beautiful luster and condition. Folks, the plastic and vinyl restorer from Beam Bright. We're going to work on the pipes in the next video.